I know people are already doing their April Fool's thing, but I still haven't had to get in under the wire for the Drunken Shamrock. Come on, Ray. I mean, I'm not getting much sleep. I'm trying to housebreak a new little puppy. He's really driving me crazy. It's like he won't pee for me, but he'll pee for her. So she tells me, you're not doing it right. And put the decorations away for the St. Patrick's Day. I think I'm going to keep this one, but this one's kind of cool. Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So, I've always been kind of a procrastinator, and I guess things are different now. Because here it is, I'm waiting till the last minute to get my entry into the Drunken Shamrock 2021. I also wore the shirt. My wife's going to bitch me and go, why'd you wear that shirt? It's too small on you. Because I'm probably going to have to retire it, because this is getting too small on me. But I want to wear it because kiss my shamrock. Now, Drunken Shamrock 2021, if you go to hashtag Drunken Shamrock 2021, you can see everybody's videos. See, I had to wait till the last minute. Anyways, I want to show you an Irish coffee. But not just any Irish coffee. Now this Irish coffee has got the trademark Tullamore D.E.W in there. Usually I tell you a review on a liquor, and then I come back and make a drink in it. I'm going to do it backwards. I'm going to make the drink first because the Drunken Shamrock, you're supposed to have it in by the end of March, which is how many hours do I have left? Anyways, so I'm going to make the drink first, and then I'm going to tell you later about this Tullamore D.E.W and rum casks. This stuff is excellent. I've been drinking it by itself. So I'm going to put a little bit of that Tullamore D.E.W in there, and I'm also going to put Angostura rum there. Angostura makes rum. They don't just make bitters, man. They make really fine rums. The House of Angostura. Okay, I'll put a little bit of Angostura in there, and I'm not going to put the traditional brown sugar in there. I'm going to put some Orgeat in there, okay? Because Orgeat goes with rum. I'll put a little bit of Orgeat in there, and then I'm going to hit it with some chocolate sprinkles, some green whipped cream that I made with Creme de Menthe, so it's a little flavor whipped cream. So begin, Ray! Jesus Christ, man, I'm stalling. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to get yourself a nice Irish mug. You want to get yourself an Irish mug and pour some hot water in there and let it sit there so the mug gets warm. Okay, now you want a footed one because when this gets hot or you have hot coffee there, you don't want to grab you want a footed mug in there. Okay? My wife bought me a big set of these things. I'm going to put a link at the bottom if you want to get some yourself. They're pretty cool. I got like 6 of them. You can't have just 2 of them. She got me like 6 of them. You gotta have my set, right? So what you want to do is you want to take the hot water you have sitting there, pour it out. Helps if you got a sink right there behind the sink. Okay. Now first thing I want to do is I want to put 1.5 ounces. Now see, also I'm using my little digital cordless mic. Because Jenna from Jenna Tonic was always telling me, why don't you hook that thing up, Ray? And Cocktail Tony was thinking about getting one. Cocktail Tony, he's got healthy pours on his liquors. Now this, I hope Cocktail Tony will approve of this because I'm going to put a little bit more than just 2 ounces in there. So hopefully he'll approve of this. I'm going to have a healthy pour. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 1.5 ounces of Tullamore D.E.W Caribbean Rum Cask Edition. 1.5 ounces of that in there. This stuff is very fine. Ooh. Okay, I'll put 1.5 ounces of that in there. That's for the sip I took. And then we're going to put 1 ounce of Angostura 7 rum. Okay. And then we're going to put not even half of Orgeat. Orgeat is like an almond syrup. It's like an almond flavored syrup. I made one with Demerara sugar. And that's another thing. I'll tell you all about this stuff. This is Tullamore D.E.W aged in rum cask from Demerara rum cask. Demerara rum's got a lot nice, richer and broader taste to it. I'll put some Orgeat in there. Then we're just going to come back with our hot coffee. Heat up about 3 or 4 ounces of hot coffee. Make sure to leave some room at the top. And then we're going to take our our whipped topping. This would be a good time to ask. I sure would hope that you would subscribe to me and hit the bell next to it. And if you do that, you're privy to all the stuff that I've done before this. You can go back and see all the videos, and you're notified every time I put out new ones. And that's a cool thing. So what you want to do is you just want to put a little bit of whipped topping on there. You want to make sure that you whip it up enough so that it floats. Also, it won't float. Okay, and then we're just going to hit it with a little bit of Ghirardelli chocolate on top there. That's going to be kind of hard for me. I hurt my arm in a car accident from drinking and driving. That's kind of why I advocate drinking at home, so that you don't have to go out and drink and drive. And in fact, I'm going to put it behind the bar here so I can go over the top. Okay. Okay, sorry to take that out of your sight. Now, I'm just going to make a quick drink. I'm not going to bother going into the history of the Irish coffee. Now, I did another video with the history of this history in Irish coffee. And also, Jenna from Gin and Tonic, she did a good one. Telling about the history of it. I'm going to link to her video below, as well as mine. And I'll link to Cocktail Tony's channel. And check those two people out, they're good people. Okay, you don't want to stir this, you want to drink it through the foam. Wow. That's good stuff, man. So hopefully you'll like my Irish coffee creation that I got into last minute. So, hope you had a good St. Patrick's Day. Until next time, my friends, I will catch up with you just in time for the next round. See you later. I can have more of that.